Hi, welcome to Smack's Tutorials. We'll look again at the one-page scrolling and a few further tips to talk about the parallax scroll. So in the previous video we did a test on the home page where we showed the scrolling, which worked really well, but we didn't include the parallax scroll. So let's just turn the parallax scroll off so you can see the difference. Turn it off, refresh, and now we've got a very large background image. And now we turn parallax scroll on and we have a look at the difference. And now we can see the background is moving a little bit of a different, it's moving differently in relation to the scroll. This is very nice, very popular these days. We like it very much. And we can have a nice tint over the top of this as well. Let's have a look at that. So our background scroll now has that image, but we have the image with a nice tint. Okay, so let's look at this block here. We can see now we've got an area here where it's showing the background. We need to have this just white. So let's look at that. How can we work on that? So we're going to have to copy. We're looking now and we're seeing this is news preset 3 column 239. So we go into our layouts and we look for, we can't see 239. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll choose 239 here. Is this one, that one there. We're going to choose that. So now we've got that as a selection, so we're going to choose that in here. So which one was that now? That was here, I think. Did I copy that? Yep, I think I did. Maybe I didn't. Oh no, I didn't copy it. Okay, let's try that again. So I'm going to now select search results team. I'm going to go preset. I can search in here 239. And that's this one. 239, there it is there. And I'm going to copy. So we've just selected a preset now, but I want to tweak that because at the moment that preset's not working brilliant. I need a white background in there. So let's now work on that. So I'm going to copy that. And now I select that. Copied 239. Save. So now in here I can now tweak this template. So now we can now take this here, this bit of code, news custom 1 column rather than preset, and this is our new ID number. So let's now go back into here and we're going to go on team, and now rather than a preset I'm going to go on my own particular one. Double check we haven't copied any HTML in there. Yeah, we have. There we go. So now news custom 3 column. Save. So now if I refresh we should see exactly the same thing. Yeah, we are. But now I can now customize this, because before I was using a preset. So now I go into layouts again, 239, edit, and in here I can now play with the HTML. So we can see that we have a div, a div, a div, a div. So what we want is we want a white background in this div. This bit here is the bottom end of the div. Now you might need a little bit of HTML knowledge to do this, but I'm just going to go straight in there and set a background color for this bottom layer of the div, because I just want to show you how you can control your own layouts. Okay, so now we've just changed that layout to have white at the bottom. So let's have a look and see what that's going to do to our website. Go home, and we've now got white at the bottom. So that's looking better, isn't it? But we've still got this bit here that's not perfect. So we can go in and we can tweak it even more. So let's go into layouts. This is our new one, 239. And instead of just that bit of background on the bottom, let's have background for the whole div. Okay, so we don't need to save. Every time you type in something here, it saves, but we need to refresh our template. Go home. Let's have a look now. So now that's working absolutely perfect, because what we're seeing now is that whole container is white. So obviously when we click one of these, we'll go straight into the page. So you can see that the layout system is very, very nice indeed, because it means you can have lists of items, and your lists of items can be events, it can be team, and once you've set up the home page to have the display the way you wish, you only ever have to do that once. This is only ever once done, and all the new team members you add in here will automatically be added without you doing anything. And you can not only have team, but you could have featured items, blog items, you know, different categories. This whole area, these whole layers here, can be really nicely displayed. And there's, just to show you, there's unlimitless possibility for Smack Software, what you can do, and we really love it. So these are a bit more advanced features, but we hope you enjoy it, and know that there's no limits to your creativity. Thank you very much for watching.